The most difficult thing I've ever done was to believe that I can do it. Between ages 0 and 5, we determine what's available to us and what's not available to us. The key is to be constantly in a perpetual process of discovering the truth of who you are. And so through relationships, through reading, through studies, through goals and dreams beyond your comfort zone, it allows you to begin to live out of your imagination as opposed to out of your history. If you want to become successful in life, young man, he said, number one, you got to change your mindset. He said, you don't get in life what you want, you get in life what you are. Number two, practice OQP, only quality people. You earn within $2,000 to $3,000 of your closest friends. And the third thing he said, develop your communication skills, because once you open your mouth, you tell the world who you are.
Monk mode. Je ook mijn monk mode mode. Monk mode voor monk mode is ook.
Monk mode.
Bruh, don't mind me looking ratchet though, feel me? Don't mind me looking ratchet with the stocking cap on. Your boy just got out the gym, man. You know what I'm saying? You see the Nike tech, monk mode, and all that type of stuff on the internet is low-key trash, bro. Focus on like achieving your goals, and you're making that little 1%, that small like increment every day. What the people tell you, they tell you monk mode, take cold showers, no FAP and all that type. You don't be doing that anyway. You can't be doing that, bro, because that, you know what I'm saying, that's a sin. 5 easy steps, and I guarantee you'll reach your goals in 2020. Not easily, but you're gonna get them done. And if you don't get to the goal, something so fire and so blessed is gonna come from it, bro. I feel like this is something important to everybody. It's the beginning of the year, and everyone wants to make that like crazy leap like into their goals and being successful. Number one, you can't replace this with anything, but is work hard and be persistent. Success requires a lot of determination, man. Don't give up when you run into a challenge or setback. God will use those situations. This is what's happened to me to be like transparent with y'all. What's happening to me right now is my setbacks and challenges are molding me into the person that I have to be to fulfill my purpose here while I'm on earth. This is the second one. Set specific and achievable goals. Have that big goal in mind, like something crazy so out there that if you accomplished it, that it would be so crazy and it would be such a testimony to your life that you'd be like, dang bro, I really did this. I really came from eating pinto beans underneath the church stairs. I didn't actually do that. Like, motivation will low-key come and go. I seen Jim Jones say it. But discipline will keep you going when your motivation is just gone, because you're just thinking and creating those good habits of, this is gonna help me get where I wanna go, help me have the life I wanna have. This is the third life hack to success. Seek help and advice when you need it. No one in life succeeds on their own. Don't be afraid to ask for help or seek guidance from others. I feel like I have done terrible with this in the past, because I've known some like Hall of Fame hoopers, and I don't hit them up for advice when they definitely been through the things I've been through. They've definitely done the things I've done. And if I would have talked to them and they would have gave me the rundown beforehand, I could have got over those hurdles and obstacles way easier and probably been even further in life. Find the mentors and just have those tough conversations and be transparent with people and let them know kind of what you're going through. And 9 times out of 10, they probably already been through it. And if they haven't been through it, they know somebody that been through it. This one right here, this is why I say monk mode is trash. Trash, 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 trash. I would say only like 5% of the people that actually look at it are actually gonna stick with it. Most of those guys, unless they're like billionaires or they got that true like discipline, they're not sticking with that monk mode stuff. They'll do it for a period of time, but they'll fall back into their normal nature unless they want a real change in their life. This is why I say monk mode is trash right here, because it's basically, monk mode is just teaching you how to be disciplined. For some people, it's hard to wake up at 5 a.m. and then do your 9 to 5, get off, go to the gym, and then after that, work on like your life's goal after that, which you want to be like your actual business that you're funding through your 9 to 5. You're gonna eventually crash and burn out. You feel me? Because I've done that. Manage your time. Stay organized and manage your time effectively. That means get off the gram, get off that TikTok. I'll be on that TikTok too, bro, just scrolling my life away. And lastly, this is number 5, achieving your goals in 2023. This is a big one right here because it's just realizing that you're in a perpetual process, that you're not a perfect person, that you're gonna have good days, you're gonna have awesome days, you're gonna have horrible days, you're gonna have days where you don't feel nothing, days where you feel oversensitive, overstimulated, all those type of things. So the last thing, and probably even the most important, is just always improve. They say the biggest room in the world is the room for improvement. So just be open to new ideas, new experiences. Thank you for watching. Man, God bless y'all, man.